Hello viewers, my name is Ali and you are watching the AR Writer channel. In this video, we will discuss the solution of Play Store pending problem. So let's start the video. We are at home page. Let's see what the problem. Open Play Store, then search any app for download. See viewers, there is a pending problem here. The app is not downloading here. For solution this problem, go to back and open Play Store. Then tap ID icon and go to settings. Then tap General. Then tap Account and Device Preferences. Then scrolling down and tap Clear Device Search History and Clear History. Then tap Clear Voice List and clear it. Then come to back and tap General. Then tap Network Preferences. Then tap App Download Preferences and tap our any network. Then tap Auto Update Apps and tap Do not auto update apps. Go to back at home page and check is the problem solved. For it, open Play Store again and search any app like this and tap download. So viewers, the pending problem has finished. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thanks for watching video.